Looking to buy a telehandler bucket but unsure whether you'll get your money's worth? In this video we're going to go over the 4 best uses of this bucket so you can make the most of your purchase. Telehandlers are one of the most powerful construction and agricultural machines out there on the market and can be used in a variety of ways. Best use number 1, bulk moving material. Rhinox telehandler buckets can move up to 1 cubic metre of material, meaning you can move a large amount of material around site very quickly. This can be anything from moving large piles of aggregates around construction sites, general site clearance or filling drainage trenches. These buckets are built with a heavy-duty construction to withstand the harshest environments. For agricultural use, these buckets are brilliant for scooping up manure, spreading mulch, moving produce, grains or fertilisers and even carrying hay bales. These especially come into play on the aftermath of flooding or storms, as these are brilliant for the clean-up jobs, so removing damaged items or rubbish that has been affected by these storms. Best use number 2, road clearance. In regions with colder winters, these buckets are essential for removing snow or distributing salt. The bucket capacity allows you to plough or remove snow away from car parks, roads or footpaths very quickly. This allows the follow-up task of spreading salt to combat ice, and as we know, salt is a very abrasive material. However, these buckets have been designed to cope with this, as well as being used to clear debris from the roads or fallen trees in the stormy months. Best use number 3, light excavation. Telehandler buckets can be used for light excavation tasks such as removing topsoil or levelling out ground. An example of this is levelling out farm tracks or uneven areas on construction sites. Best use number 4, loading hotboxes. Traditionally, loading tarmac hotboxes has been done by workers. This was time consuming and also labour intensive, which led to delays and reduced productivity. With a telehandler and telehandler bucket, this process has been streamlined to do the task in a fraction of the time, which keeps your loading times to a minimum so you're not wasting any time. So there you have it, some of the key ways you can get the best use out of your telehandler bucket. To learn more about the Rhinox telehandler bucket, click the video here and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss another video. Loading hotboxes was done by workers. Am I German now? Best use number 4.